Hi, this is Natalie with Mega Systems Inc., and today I'm going to walk you through patching a new show with the Lumen8 Surface. We will begin patching a new show by clicking on the Show button on the right menu. You will see a horizontal touch menu across the screen. Type in a name for a new show in the text field on the left side of the screen, replacing Show Name here. If you're following along with the Quick Start, type Test New. Now either click the Create New Show button immediately to the right or just hit the Enter key on your keyboard when you're done typing. Note that if you're using the Lumen8 Surface, you can additionally enter the name using the 32 keys on the top of the unit. Here's a little hint. Whenever the Lumen8 user interface is prompting for text input, you can always use the top 32 keys of the Surface, which normally are used to trigger and assign the assignable button slots. Now you'll be presented with a new empty show. In program mode, the palette windows will be clear, the fixture windows will be empty, and if you look at the playback mode, you'll see that there are no cues assigned to any button slots. To begin patching fixtures, make sure you're in program mode on the right menu. On the touchscreen, press the Patch button on the right menu, then choose Patch from the horizontal menu that pops up. Alternatively, you can use the Patch button in either of the two palette windows, which will directly open the Patch Editor window. Lumen8 Surface users can press the Patch button on the hardware. With the Patch Editor visible, you can scroll down the lists of manufacturers and products to patch a particular type of light. Here's a hint. On the Lumen8 hardware, you can use the 32 assignable buttons with letters to more rapidly seek to a specific letter of the alphabet in the manufacturer's list. Then you can use the Select wheel to seek to a particular light type from that manufacturer. Select either the actual fixtures you have connected, or for demonstration purposes, choose R-Light in the manufacturer's list and baby color 7ch.fix in the fixture list below it. To continue with patching the selected fixture profile, either press the green Patch Selected Fixture button on your touchscreen or press the Select wheel on your Lumen8 Surface hardware. You will be presented with a new window prompting for the start channel and number of fixtures to patch. Here's a hint. In addition to the 10-key number pad, you can also use the Hardware Select tool to rapidly change the numeric values in the Start at Channel entry box. For our Quick Start demonstration, leave the Start at Channel box at 1, which will place the lights starting at address 1 on Universe 1, and choose to place 12 of your selected lights in the second How Many Would You Like to Add box. Either tap the left-right arrows to decrease or increase the values, or use the numeric keypad on your keyboard or Lumen8 Surface. Press the Patch Fixtures button on the left side of the window to continue. Lumen8 will indicate that your fixtures have been loaded. Click OK to continue. If you like, for the purposes of our Quick Start tutorial, you can patch a couple more lights using the same technique, this time perhaps 4 lights of a different model. In the Load Fixture window, you can accept the default starting address and just change the How Many box to 4. Close the Patch Editor window by either pressing the X in its top right corner with your touchscreen or press the Patch button on your Lumen8 Surface hardware. With the fixtures patched, we can now lay out the fixture icons in the top window of the program mode to approximately match the physical placement of our real-world lights from an overhead or plan view. With the touchscreen, either click and drag a single fixture, as you would drag a file on a desktop computer, or initially touch the outside of any fixture to start dragging a rectangle, which will then select multiple fixtures. Again, as you would with files on your computer. You can then drag the entire selected group as a unit. Clicking on empty space in the fixture window will clear the selection. We're going to take a little detour here to show you how to move the fixtures to a different view to make room when you're running low on space in the fixture area at the top. Click on the View 1 button at the top of the right menu to show the View menu. Then click the Add Fixture View button on the left side of the horizontal menu in order to add View 2. The new view will be selected by default, which will blank out the fixture area. Simply click either of the Previous View or Next View buttons immediately below the View 1, now View 2 buttons you clicked before. See how you can cycle through different views? Now, to actually move fixtures between views, click on the Edit button at the bottom edge of the fixture area. This will place the entire fixture area into edit mode, which means that any subsequent clicks on a fixture or a single fixture of a selected group will show the edit menu for that particular fixture or selection. With the Edit button activated, click on a light and select Change View from the horizontal touch menu that appears. You will see a second menu pop up immediately, which asks which view to place the buttons in. Choose the view which isn't currently visible, View 2 if you're following along, and the buttons will disappear from the current view and be placed into the new view instead. To verify this, cycle through views using the Previous View and Next View buttons beneath the View 1 and View 2 button on the right menu. Here are some of the other Edit menu buttons and what they do. Change View, which was already demonstrated, allows you to move a fixture to a different fixture view. Solo Mode turns the light into a spotlight, muting all of the other fixtures. In Solo Mode, the light will be unaffected by the Clear All command. Copy Fixture Sequence and Paste Fixture Sequence means that you can copy and paste fixture sequence data. View and Edit Start Channel displays a utility window that presents useful information about the light, such as its name, which can be changed here, the profile definition, the fixture number, how many channels are being used by the light, and the fixture start channel, or the DMX address. Edit Fixture Definition changes the channel traits for this fixture. Change Text Back Color allows you to change the background color of all the fixture labels, not just the selected fixture. Remove Fixture deletes the selected fixture or fixtures from the current show. This concludes the fixture patching portion of the tutorial. Thank you for watching and continue to check back for more videos on the Lumen8 Surface.